Robin, and welcome to eSpin's Cluster Studio XE introduction video and product overview. Alright, so for an introduction, it's Intel's high-performance MPI hybrid development studio. Cluster Studio provides a comprehensive set of parallel programming standards driven by C or C++ and Fortran development tools and programming models, which enable software developers to efficiently develop, analyze, and optimize HPC applications to scale forward, also scale faster, and boost performance for IA-compatible processors. Cluster Studio is Intel's integrated tool suite for HPC development. Its superior shared, distributed, or hybrid application performance through industry-leading Intel compilers, parallel models and libraries with advanced performance optimizations for today's multi-core and tomorrow's mini-core processors in HPC clusters. Cluster Studio also comes with Intel's industry-leading MPI Library, or MPI Library 4.1, and its Update 1 provides levels of performance, scalability, and flexibility for applications that execute on clusters of Intel platforms. It also has the following build points. It scales up to 120,000 processors, high performance, low latency, which means it reacts quicker, interconnected independence, runtime fabric selection, application and cluster tuning capabilities, which allows you to select the most optimal Intel MPI library settings for your cluster configuration. It's multi-rail InfiniBand support, which allows you to utilize multiple networking ports simultaneously, Berkeley Labs checkpoint restarts, or BLCR support. Alright, so this is a little graphic describing the MPI library and the differences between the other kinds of platforms, and it shows the great scalability and speed and reaction times. The difference is up to also 2.6% faster on 8 nodes. And for example, that's on the 16 kilobytes. And the next remotely close one would be the MPI Comparison of the MPI library compared to other similar libraries in the platform MPI, the MS MPI 3.4. In this scenario, it's actually 3.2 times as fast compared to the others, but on the same 8 nodes as before. Intel's MPI Communications and Filing and Analysis. Intel's Trace Analyzer Collector is a powerful tool for understanding MPI application correctness and behavior, visualize and understand parallel application behavior, evaluate profiling statistics and load balancing, analyze performance of subroutines or code blocks, and decrease your work time loads. And this is the small graphic demonstrating the differences. As you would see, Studio XE comes with high-performance C, C++, and Fortran compilers and libraries. Its compilers and libraries have both built-in technologies and multi-threading support that help create code that runs best on Intel's latest processors, multi-core and soon-to-be mini-core architectures. Multi-core and mini-core optimization, support for distributed memory CAF or co-array Fortran, advanced optimization, multi-threading, and processor support. It also supports for hybrid models of parallelism with MPI and threading options like OpenMPI, Intel TM+, and Intel TBB methods to boost application performance in clusters. Industry-leading Intel MKL and Intel IPP include a wealth of routines to improve performance, and Studio XE comes with correctness analysis and profiling tools. You can utilize the Intel Trace Analyzer and Collector for both MPI communications and correctness analysis. For shared and hybrid analysis, you can utilize Intel's VTune Amplifier XE 2013 and Inspector 2013. Visualize and understand MPI communications and behavior for hotspots and workload balance. Identify hotspots quickly and provide greater insights into multi-core and mini-core performance bottlenecks. Intel's VTune Amplifier XE is MPI enabled on every node of the cluster. Static and dynamic code analysis with threading and memory debugging with Intel's Inspector XE is MPI enabled on every node of the cluster. Detect deadlocks, data corruption, and errors in your MPI code, including both MPI types, buffers, communications, point-to-point messages, and collective. Cluster Studio XE also comes with threading prototyping tools for architects. Advisor XE is that tool. It is a threading prototyping tool for C, C#, C++, and Fortran architects. It allows you to scale, which is what design is all about, and also helps you figure out data sharing issues. It finds routes with the greatest performance potential for parallelism and identifies critical synchronization issues. It also allows you to evaluate alternatives before investing in implementation, estimate the speed up, and identify correctness issues. It also allows you to select the options with the best return on investment, which is great for higher. That's all for our presentation on Cluster XE Studio today. If you have any other questions or are interested in purchasing, you can visit our e-store over here at e-spincorp.com and navigate to the e-store section. Also, if you have any questions regarding quotations or inquiries that you want personally dealt with, you can email us at sales@e-spincorp.com. Alright, thank you for listening to our presentation.